Did you take down your smoke alarm?
What?
Do you have any idea how dangerous that is? People die all the time because it's right there! You took the battery out, and it's expired. You know, I can't even right now. Hi, I'm Fire Prevention Officer Michael Atkins. And do you want to hear something really scary? Thousands of homes in Ontario do not have working smoke alarms. Welland Fire and Emergency Services wants to remind you that you need to install and maintain working alarms in your homes to make sure that you and your family are safe. On behalf of Welland Fire and Emergency Services, we'd like to wish all of our followers and friends a happy Halloween.